It's funny. Just so you know, it never usually looks like this. It should be like right there. That's how shallow it's supposed to be. And over there. So try to get this video to 1,000 views. Or like 1 million views. I don't know how much you like, but more than that. Is our old school, and the camera quality isn't good, but you don't know what's happening. There's this massive flood in our area, and I'm not gonna say where we live because that'd be like bad if we said that, but this never usually gets like this. See, look how deep that is. It should never end like this. Okay, so, and I kind of just walk over here. It's kind of normal. It looks like this. It's not like it's gonna dab in my feet. And I'm on the camera fly. Rainbow. Barely see it, but it's right there. There's all these birds. So, this is the trail, and look how deep it is. And my bike. And yeah, it's been on my YouTube channel before, but I think it just got even worse. So I figured out how to edit now, so the video will be way better. But this does not usually look like this. But I'll show you the rest of the trail. I'm walking the trail. And it gets kind of deep like right here. So I'm just gonna walk the trail. So it looks like I'm walking on like a bridge that's underwater. This little part right here is worse than last year. So you can kind of see. So like I would not recommend you to go in here because like you know Tennessee weather in the winter and doesn't really mix well with your feet, but I'm doing it for you guys. We had to walk back. Oh, my feet are cold. I don't want to get frostbite. Okay, I'm gonna run this really fast. Okay, this is the other part. Okay, I'm on an island by technical standards. So you guys can tell iPads. So it's good because Apple is good, but in my opinion, Apple is good. But just saying that I don't think they made it to where you're supposed to like do videos on it because this camera is not really that good. Yeah, I'm gonna try to run this so you guys can just skip to the next part. This is not the updated version. But the roads, the sidewalks haven't been updated yet. These Apple, these iPads are not very stable in your video. So this is like a 7 megapixel camera. Yeah, you guys can say in the comments if it's good, but it does not compare to the iPhone. So 13 and 14, 15 and 15. So this just kind of goes right there, but it doesn't go any farther than that.